Hi everyone, today we're gonna make a DIY writing bag. So the supplies that you need are gel. It can be aloe vera gel or hair gel. Or you can use shaving cream, paint or food coloring, and a Ziploc bag. So the first thing you're going to do is open your Ziploc bag. You're going to add your gel inside the Ziploc bag. That should be a good amount. Then you're going to add your paint or your food coloring. And now you're going to close your bag. Make sure there's no air in it. And then you're going to mix it up. Make sure your gel has all the color in it. Once you're done doing that, then you flatten out your bag. Make sure it's nice and smooth. And then you can write on it. And that is it. Have fun!